Let me ask you something. Why do you struggle to make money no matter how hard you work? And more importantly, how do you stop living paycheck to paycheck when your bills keep increasing, but your income doesn't? Most people think the problem is effort. It's not. The problem is you're trading time for money, and time is limited. Over the last few months, I started using an automated system powered by AI that generates daily results. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 withdrawals. If you're tired of struggling and you want to see what's actually working right now, watch this carefully and check the link below when you're ready.
So I'm going to do 2 withdrawals, one from my account. As you can see there, I've got $296. So click on withdraw. So I'm going to withdraw the max. I'm withdrawing 296 and into my trust wallet, I'm going to get 292. So click on withdraw again. Enter the Google Authenticator. That's payment speeding its way to me. Now I'm going to withdraw from my wife's account. Great passive income. We don't have to do any work for this one. And I'm going to withdraw from here 249. So click withdraw. So I'm going to withdraw the max, that's 249. And we're going to receive into our joint trust wallet $246. And before I click that withdraw, below you can see the other payments that we've withdrawn: 154, 166, 547, 145, 396, 255. There you see. So these payments come straight to our trust wallet. So let's click the withdraw button and Google Authenticator again. So that's that payment on its way to us. So what we're going to receive into our joint crypto wallet is $542.
If you're serious about stopping the paycheck to paycheck cycle, I've created a free blueprint that breaks this down clearly. It's in the pinned comment below. Go check it out. Click that link below. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I will see you in another video soon.